Hi everyone!
Ay, ayan. Ay, napakaganda nga naman talaga ni Miss Karina. Oh my God. Thank you so much. And that is Flowers from Premier Condom. So, ayun. Grabe, alam mo, sobrang excited na ako mapanood yung 5 episodes yun today. But before that, for sure, lahat sila dito, sobrang excited din malaman na paano nyo ba ito pinaghandaan. Kasi talagang parang wow, biglaan lang eh. Oo. So habang tinatago nyo, paano nyo pinaghandaan at anong nararamdaman nyo this time? Eto na, ipapakita na natin lahat sa kanila today.
Hello. For us, siguro, nakatulong yung working experience namin. Kasi nag-work na kami before, actually. Sa My Love Will Make You Disappear. And yung bonding namin, siguro kasi tayo na yung pinaka-close sa age range yung time na yan. So, sobrang nakatulong yun. And even after nung project na yun, binabati naman namin isa't isa. And nagjo-joke pa kami, last mga message bago ko tumawag sa'yo ng umaga naman. Like, kasama mag-work tayo, ganyan. Yun yung usapan natin. Tapos, tinawagan ko siya ng umaga kasi something, di ba naman elaborate yun. And, di ba, ang tawag sa'yo yun. So, yun yung nangyari sa amin. And I think it just came in naturally, yung working, chemistry namin. So, yun, nakatulong yun.
Ayan, hi everyone! Good afternoon! Thank you so much for being here today with us, me and Migs. And how did we prepare for this ba? Yes. Kasi nga biglaan, grabe. Oo, although I don't think we had that much time naman. Pero ang maganda is Direk Rodina was also there to guide us and the whole crew and staff and production. And nakatulong nga na we've been friends for quite some time now ever since we did our last show together. And I think we've always clicked naman. So naging madali na lang yun Almost Lovers for us. Yeah, nakakabado. First time din namin mapanood yung teaser with all of you kasi during the Pride month Love Laban, hindi namin masyado makita kasi nasisinagan ng araw. So yun, happy late Pride sa mga queer community namin dito na friends and supporters. So yeah, please do enjoy.
Ayun. So, ano nga ba yung dapat namin abangan or asahan sa mga papanoorin nating episodes today?
Ano siya, for me, nakabangan niyo yung comedy aspect ng series namin. Marami siyang moments na, okay, ganun siya. Mga cute, quirky moments, yun sa dito. For me, yun yung dapat abangan.
Ako, dapat abangan siguro aside sa messaging ng kwento ng Almost Lovers, fun lang kasi siya eh. It's a cute story. May deep lessons and learnings sa kwento. Pero at the same time, yung atake kasi ni Direk Rodina is very, fun, watchable, relatable. So parang, ayun, sana makamacross, mabigay namin ng tama yung lessons. Pero at the same time, makapag-enjoy pa rin tayong lahat.
And to add to that, normally when you watch vertical series with brands particularly, sometimes some of you might feel na, masyadong hard sell to. But surprisingly, nung ginagawa namin to, hindi ko nararamdaman yun. Parang it was a nice touch to have a condom brand, particularly Premier Condoms, para tahiin at isulong yung narrative of, mag-take pa kayo ng risk sa mga situationship nyo? Ano natawa kayo? Ikaw yung tinutukoy. Baka topic ka sa kasama mo. Ikaw yung tinutukoy ko. So, but yun, I think that's the thing na pwede niya rin abangan dito sa series na to. How something like a brand like this nakakatulong para isulong yung pananaw ninyo sa pag-ibig at pagmamahal.
Ayun. So, bukod sa mga kiligan na moments, of course, ano ang message nyo naman sa mga fans nyo, especially sa mga Gen Z na nandito ngayon and millennials, tungkol sa pag-normalize ng usapang condoms at ang importance ng having fun safely gaya ng makikita natin sa series?
I think most of my supporters here today are millennials and a little bit of Gen Z. So I think somehow they're well aware of the subject. Pero just to expand on it, we all know naman in this day and age na having fun safely is something na hindi na dapat kinakahiya. it's a very taboo subject in our country, in the Philippines. So this is a great way normalizing it and somehow informing and educating everyone here, and maybe sharing it to the people we love, our friends, family members, loved ones, to have fun, but at the same time think of the risks, stay protected, stay healthy, and do use condoms whenever you engage in sexual acts like that.
For me naman, pagdating sa ganyan, again, maganda sabi mo, sex should not be taboo. Sex is part of our daily lives. Hindi mo ganun ka-daily sana.
Your daily
My daily life, sorry. Sex is part of life.
Sinong daily life dito? Ayun daw, di ba? One.
I mean, sex is should... Okay na yan?
Pero tama ka naman, for daily life, dapat laging protected. Diba? Oo. Kasi ba, we will never know kung minsan may mga taong everyday active. But kahit na everyday active, dapat laging protected. At may dadagdag ka pa ba doon?
Yoko na?
Bukod sa daily life experience mo,
No, but seriously, I mean, in your condoms, you can have fun safely and you can explore the different variants of flavor. So, nandiyan para sa inyo. Kaya naman yung have fun talaga.
Ayan. So, thank you so much, Karina and Mix. You may now take your seats. Yan, of course. Meron ka ba bang dadagdag?
kamusta
Sige,
naman
sige,
yung
ano
daily
yun?
life experience mo? Charot lang.
Siguro malalaman natin yan today.